The State Minister in charge for Commerce and Industries, Fisheries, Sniawbhalang Dhar has informed that since 2018, a number of projects amounting to nearly Rs 500 crore have been granted for Nartiang constituency. He said this at a function of NPP Nartiang Block Committee meeting yesterday. The meeting was organized to welcome the new office bearers of the party unit. The meeting was attended by MLA from Mauhati Dasakyat Bhalamari, MLA from Jawai Wailat Miki Shulla, MDC from Rimbarai Bajop Pingrop, CM JHADC Thombor Shiwat, MDCs of JHADC and public from Nartiang. In his speech, Dhar highlighted several upcoming projects initiated by the state government for the people of Nartiang constituency. He informed that on November 21st, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will inaugurate the Namdong C and RD block.
Nartiang nong poror ko MR kilometer dedep su integrate gam stem gawi hakani ketem mini last 5 year the sanction ni kamo subhau san klur teka de yok pai bak pedem kam step men gawi the TV worok dan ini boy bencedi habita wa CNRD block utumi gura wai chief minister hak arpawi trikin gedawan.
Umsning MLA Jason S. Maulong yesterday inaugurated